Hi, this is King of Review, which is the common factor you find when factoring these two polynomials, 2n squared minus n minus 15 and 2n squared plus 31n plus 65. Let's start by factoring this first polynomial here, and I'll do this factoring in red. So we have 2n squared minus n minus 15. And one method for factoring is using a factorization box. And I'll put my n squared term here, so 2n squared, and I'll put my constant, negative 15, down here. What two terms multiply together to give 2n squared? 2n times n give 2n squared. And what two terms can multiply together to give negative 15? Well, 5 and negative 3 would work. Now let's fill out the remainder portions of our box. Negative 3 times 2n is negative 6n, and n times 5 is 5n. Now you see here, if you add these two boxes together, negative 6n plus 5n, you get this term here, negative n, right here. So now we've factored this first polynomial, and we get 2n plus 5 times n minus 3. Now let's work on the second polynomial, and I'll do this one in black. So we have 2n squared plus 31n plus 65. And again, I'm going to use the factorization box to factor this. So I'll put my n squared term here and my constant, which is 65, down here. And what two terms multiply together to give 2n squared? 2n times n give 2n squared. And what two terms can multiply together to give 65? One option is 5 and 13. When we fill out the remainder of our box, 13 times 2n gives 26n, and n times 5 gives 5n. You see here, if we add the 26n and the 5n, we get 31n right here. So now we've factored our second polynomial as 2n plus 5 times n plus 13. And our question asks us, which is the common factor of both of these polynomials? We have a 2n plus 5 here and a 2n plus 5 here. So 2n plus 5 is the common factor. Letter D is correct. Thanks for watching.